Your summer style can change with details that are much smaller than you think. In 2026, accessories are no longer just finishing touches. They are becoming some of the strongest elements defining the character of a look. With bolder, more personal, and sometimes nostalgic touches, this summer's strongest accessory trends are making a comeback. So, which pieces will dominate the season? Let's explore the key accessory trends shaping the season. Statement gemstone earrings. In 2026, accessories are not getting smaller. Instead, they're becoming more sculptural and attention-grabbing. That is why statement earrings with oversized stones are emerging as one of the strongest finishing touches of the season. Colorful stone effects, organic shapes, and oversized vintage-inspired forms can instantly elevate even the most minimal outfits. The reason behind their rise is the growing preference for completing simple looks with one strong accessory. Especially when paired with pulled-back hair and open necklines, statement earrings make the face look even more striking. Pearls. This season, pearls are moving away from their traditional romantic image and are being styled in a more modern and contrasting way. Instead of small, perfectly arranged pearls, irregular shapes, oversized pearls, and designs combined with metal details are taking the spotlight. The reason is the way fashion is reinterpreting traditionally feminine pieces in a stronger, more contemporary way. Pearl details feel especially modern when paired with basic pieces. Their comeback in 2026 comes from their ability to create a balance between softness and strength. Beaded embellishments. Beaded embellishments are making a strong comeback this year. Fashion is moving away from perfectly smooth surfaces and embracing textured designs with a handcrafted feel. Light-catching transparent beads, crystal-like details, and scattered embellishments add a romantic yet modern touch to clothing and accessories. And this trend is no longer limited to evening wear. We are seeing it on everyday dresses, shirts, skirts, and especially bags. The key to styling beaded pieces elegantly is balance. When paired with clean-cut dresses, minimal tailoring, or simple outfits, beaded embellishments look much more sophisticated. Beaded bags, in particular, can add character and a luxurious touch even to the simplest outfit. Mixed metals. One of the biggest changes in the accessory world in 2026 is that there is no longer a need to match your metals. Wearing gold and silver together creates a more modern, effortless, and stylish look. Fashion is moving away from overly polished combinations and embracing more personal and spontaneous styling. This mix works especially well with layered necklaces, stacked rings, and multiple bracelets. It also allows you to create more individual looks without being restricted to a single aesthetic. Long pendant necklaces. Layered and fluid jewelry is making a strong comeback in 2026, and long necklaces are at the heart of this trend. Their appeal comes from the vertical flow they create, adding movement and a more relaxed silhouette to an outfit. Stone details and oversized sculptural designs can make simple clothing feel instantly more stylish. Long necklaces are also rising with the return of bohemian aesthetics, but they are now being styled in a much more refined way. Paired with deep necklines, shirts, and simple dresses, they can create a longer and more balanced silhouette. Cuff bracelets. This year, wrist accessories are becoming more visible and powerful. Wide cuff bracelets are rising because they are strong enough to complete an outfit on their own. Metallic surfaces, organic curves, and sculptural designs are turning these accessories into wearable art. They become even more striking when paired with understated clothing. Sleeveless tops, strappy dresses, and simple outfits create the perfect canvas for a statement cuff. In this way, wide cuff bracelets perfectly reflect the idea of creating a strong look with fewer pieces. Brooches. Brooches are moving beyond their classic image in 2026 and becoming one of the strongest details in modern styling. Their comeback reflects fashion's renewed interest in personal touches and vintage-inspired accessories. Metal shapes, floral details, and oversized gemstone designs can instantly elevate simple pieces. The most modern way to style a brooch is to make it the focal point of an otherwise simple outfit. They work beautifully on oversized blazers, plain shirts, knitwear, and especially denim. Brooches attached to the waistband or pockets of jeans, denim jackets, or bags can add a personal, editorial touch even to the most basic outfit. This year, the biggest advantage of brooches is their ability to completely transform the mood of an outfit with just one accessory. Transparent bangles. This season, accessories are moving toward lighter, translucent, and modern materials. Transparent bracelets are rising because they can make a statement without adding visual weight to an outfit. Glass-like surfaces, porcelain-inspired finishes, and semi-transparent materials create a particularly modern effect in summer styling. When paired with simple clothing, these bracelets make the overall look feel cleaner and more futuristic. They perfectly capture the quiet yet experimental side of contemporary fashion. French pin. French pins are moving beyond their practical function and becoming one of the strongest accessories for effortless elegance. Their popularity reflects fashion's growing preference for styles that look effortless while still feeling polished. Metal and acetate French pins create a modern silhouette when used with controlled messy buns, low buns, and half-up hairstyles. Their biggest appeal this season is their ability to give the hair an elegant, editorial finish with just one simple movement. Metallic hair accessories. This season, hair accessories are moving from small finishing touches to key focal points of the outfit. Gold and silver tone clips, pins, and hair details are making a comeback as fashion embraces sculptural shapes and reflective surfaces. They look especially modern and sophisticated when paired with sleek buns and straight, glossy hair. The goal is no longer simply to hold the hair in place, but to make the accessory an integral part of the overall look. Bucket hats. Bucket hats are making a comeback in 2026, but this time with a much more refined approach. Instead of technical fabrics, textured materials such as cotton, linen, crochet, and raffia are taking the spotlight. Natural tones are also replacing overly bright colors. The reason for their comeback is their ability to maintain a sporty character while offering a much more sophisticated option for everyday styling. Raffia Pillbox hats. Raffia Pillbox hats are becoming one of the most eye-catching accessory trends for summer 2026. The classic pillbox shape, reinterpreted through natural raffia texture, gives the style both a nostalgic and contemporary feel. Paired with linen suits, simple summer dresses, and natural tones, they add an elegant and luxurious touch to the look. Compared with wide-brimmed beach hats, their more urban and refined character is one of the main reasons they are standing out this season. Crochet bandanas. Crochet bandanas are emerging as one of the strongest accessories, reflecting the handmade aesthetic in 2026. The main reason is fashion's shift away from perfectly polished surfaces toward natural textures and details that capture a sense of craftsmanship. When worn as a head covering, they keep the hair neatly controlled while adding a bohemian and vintage touch to the outfit. Beyond the classic triangular style, they can also be tied around the neck or waist, becoming an integral part of the look. Their versatility makes it possible to create multiple looks with a single accessory, making crochet bandanas one of the most functional pieces of the season. Scarves. Scarves have become one of the strongest accessory trends in recent years. This year, they are moving beyond the classic necktie style and becoming a versatile styling tool that can define the character of an entire look. Both simple, monochrome designs and bold printed styles are making an impact. Oversized florals, polka dots, retro motifs, animal prints, and graphic patterns are taking center stage, while scarves can be worn around the neck, in the hair, over the shoulders, or tied onto bags. One of the most striking ways to wear a scarf this season is to tie it around the waist instead of using a belt. Especially when paired with white shirts, linen trousers, denim pieces, and simple dresses, scarves add color, texture, and movement to an outfit. Compared to a classic belt, they create a much more creative and personal look, instantly making even the simplest outfit feel more stylish and current. This versatility makes scarves one of the strongest accessory trends of 2026. Their biggest appeal is their ability to completely transform a look with just one piece, adding character and a personal touch even to the simplest outfits. Swimsuits and bikinis. In 2026, high-cut minimalist swimsuits, asymmetrical one-shoulder styles, and bikinis with metallic details are taking center stage. Butter yellow, chocolate brown, and natural sand tones dominate the color palette, while crochet textures, thin stripes, and nostalgic polka dots are among the season's favorites. The goal is to create a look that feels understated yet still makes an impact. Beach cover-ups. The pieces that complete your beach look are just as important as the swimsuit itself this season. Sheer crochet dresses, lace-textured kaftans, oversized linen shirts, and lightweight crochet sets make the transition from beach to restaurant effortless. Especially monochrome, long and fluid silhouettes are among the strongest options for capturing effortless coastal elegance. With their layering potential, these designs add both functionality and refined summer style to beach outfits, making them perfect for every moment of the day. Beach shoes. This season, chunky slides are making way for more elegant and minimalist styles. Thin thing flip-flops, jelly sandals, and simple slides are among the season's favorites. Flat sandals with straw and woven details add a natural touch of elegance to beach club looks. This summer, comfort is no longer the only consideration when choosing beach shoes. The overall aesthetic of the outfit matters just as much. Sea-inspired accessories. Seashell details are making a more sophisticated comeback this season. Pearls, anklets, and natural stones add movement to beach looks, while delicate gold-toned jewelry supports the quiet luxury aesthetic. Instead of oversized statement pieces, delicate layered jewelry creates a more refined look. In particular, starfish, coral, and organically shaped accessories are among the standout finishing touches of coastal fashion in 2026. This year, accessories are no longer just the finishing touch, they are becoming the signature of the outfit. Choose the right piece, and even the simplest look can instantly feel stronger and more current. And the best part? This season's trends offer both bold and timeless options that can be adapted to almost any personal style. So, which accessory trend are you wearing the most this summer? If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for the latest fashion trends and to discover what's next. Stay in the lab.